We begin with breaking news. A man has climbed the Hollywood sign. Back to our breaking news. A man believed to be a YouTube prankster has climbed the Hollywood sign.
You like a lonely man. Without me, you're not like everyone. He's why I choose you. You're the one who can make me happy. Oh, you know you're in love when you come for the sea. Because we are the scenery better than trees. You like a lonely man. Without me, you're not like everyone. He's why I choose you. You're the one who can make me happy. Oh, you know you're in love when you come for the sea. Because we are the scenery better than trees.
Good morning, channel. We just arrived here, parked our cars, and we're going to hike to the Hollywood sign. Are you ready? Let's go! Welcome to Los Santos. Los Santos. Whoops. Oh no, we have walked the wrong way. So now we are walking back to find the right way to hike to the Hollywood sign. This is a beginner's mistake. Doesn't matter, because one moment behind this tree there is a big beautiful view of Los Angeles, aka Los Santos. Oh man, we just arrived on top of the Hollywood sign. I sound a little bit exhausted, and that's because it's too hot today. This hike isn't that difficult, but it's just too warm. But look at the Hollywood sign, and look at the views. Unfortunately, we cannot touch the sign because there are 1000 cameras and also a gate between us. But anyways, look at the views of Los Santos, or I mean Los Angeles. Look at this antenna on top of the Hollywood sign. This antenna is well known to all the GTA 5 players out here. But not only GTA 5, it's also known in the older game San Andreas. So I will show you guys a picture from GTA 5 and San Andreas, so you can see the difference between the game and real life. But look at this. The weather is good, the views are amazing. And you know what? If you look closely, you can see that each letter has a letter. Whoa, this word combination is making my tongue make a backflip. What I wanted to say was that you can climb up the ladder at each letter of the Hollywood sign. But unfortunately it's forbidden, and there are thousands of cameras everywhere. Letter has a letter, letter has a letter. So here we are. We finally finished our hike and we're back in our cars. Look at the Hollywood sign. I can't believe we were up there a few moments ago. But we are now driving to a place that we saw during our hike because we want to make a picture of our cars with the Hollywood sign on the background. And we found the perfect place for that. And as you can see, there are a lot of people walking here. Most of them will just stay over here to make pictures of the sign. And just a few of them hike all the way up to the sign just like we did. Oh, and here you can see this is an authority car and it's driving all day long watching the people. A lot of tourists come here and park their cars on forbidden places, so these guys are giving them tickets. Sometimes they also tow away your car, so be careful where you park your car, guys. There is a big street called Canyon Lake Drive. There you can find a spot to park your car. The only thing is you have to hike up from there, and it's approximately 2.5 miles or 4 kilometers. So let's go and make some pictures with our cars.